Hello Jan. Okay, let me show you how can you select a specific case or two or three cases to change the supervisor. It is basically a combination of filters. So I'm working with a demo firm, not with Fondia, just to avoid changing something there. So for example, if I want to change, let me find, probably we have only one supervisor here, this one for example. We have three cases with this user as supervisor, then we have three cases with this user as supervisor, and two cases. So most of them, the supervisor is the user admin as user, is the admin user, sorry. As this is a special user not listed into the firm users, we want, so for example, we want to change, we have to select them. So the filter we should create, we want to show all the cases where the supervisor is not in photo panel and is not marked and is not Omar. So in this case, pay attention here, it says we are showing 264 records from a total of 272. So we want to change all these 264. Actually, not all this, because this is the very similar situation with HANA. So for example, if you want to change this and this one, these two cases, so you can filter by this reference number, you can copy it and you can put it here, and the second one, or matches this reference number. So all these properties are giving us a result of two cases to be changed. So let's execute a batch task. This is very important because this is showing you how many records are you changing. So let's change the supervisor. Instead of admin at low panel, we can use Omar. And then click on update. As we have this filter here saying that we don't want to see the Omar, we can modify it, we can clear it, and you will see that now showing these two cases, this is the user Omar. We can also clear this one, and now we can check for all the cases for the user Omar. Previously we had these two cases, and now we have these two cases here. Remember that the update is going to be executed, so over the total records showing here. This is the filter applied. The filter is showing us 4 records. So for example, if we want to change the supervisor of these 4 records, we can now go here, go to batch task. It's saying you are updating 4 records, and we can change the supervisor to Mark, for example. As we have selected filter the cases where the supervisor is Omar, we are seeing nothing here. Let's change to Mark, and you will see that now we have all the previous Omar cases now move to Mark as the supervisor. It's the same if you want to apply a specific task. These are tasks a bit more complex than just changing a property value. You can add renewal deadline, replace clients, or delete the entity. Every entity, type of entity of this one, IP record, cases, or docketing have their own task, their specific task. But the key concept is the same. You first filter the entities here in the filter, and then when you are sure about what do you want to change, they are showing here what do you have, you apply the batch task. Okay, I've reverted the changes to HANA, the 420 records, change it to, I don't remember, sorry, Michaela, to HANA, and now it is as the beginning. If you want, I can create for you a test company. Maybe you feel better playing with a test company and not directly with the data of Fondia. There is no problem, just tell me and I will create one for you. Okay, Jan, thank you very much for your time. Let me know if you have more questions. Bye bye.